Pushpa's Pakode. Once there lived a noble man called Anand in a village with his wife called Pushpa. Anand worked in the fields of a landlord.
Listen, Pushpa, where are you?
Yes, I'll just be there. I'm making pakodas for you. Pushpa gets the pakodas. Anand has the pakodas.
Wow! You make delicious pakodas.
Then forget about going to work and sit at home and have pakodas happily with a smile. The next day, when Anand goes to the field to work,
Anand, you don't need to come for work from tomorrow.
What's the matter, landlord? Did I do anything wrong?
You have made no mistake. I have sold this land to a businessman. He is from the city and he will build a shoe factory on this land.
Anand is disappointed and returns home. Seeing him upset, Pushpa asks him, "What is the matter? Why did you return so early today?"
The landlord has sold out his land and has asked me not to come for work.
That is so sad.
Yes. What shall I do now? I don't understand anything.
Listen, if you don't mind, can I say something?
Yes, please.
You always say that I make delicious pakodas, right? Then why can't we start the business of selling pakodas?
What are you saying? Now you will work too?
Both of us will work, okay? I can make pakodas at home, then you can go to the market and sell those pakodas.
Yes, you are right.
The next day, Pushpa makes some hot delicious pakodas and Anand goes to sell them on his cart. He sells the pakodas in the outskirts of the village.
Come, come! Have delicious pakodas! You will buy it again and again after having it once! Come, come!
Bunty and his friend Bablu talk about this after listening to him.
Bunty, look over there. Brother Anand is selling pakoras.
Seems he has started selling it today itself. Let's go and ask him.
The two of them come to Anand's stall.
Brother Anand, you're selling pakoras?
Yes.
Your pakoda smells delicious. How much it cost per plate?
5 rupees per plate.
Okay then, give me 1 plate of pakodas.
Give me one too.
Anand gives pakodas to both of them and they have it.
Hey wow, your pakodas are too yummy.
The pakoras are very tasty. Pack 2 plate pakoras for me. I'll take some for home.
Your pakodas are very tasty. I'm sure it will get sold out soon.
The two of them go away from there. At a distance, there's Lalan pakoda seller who's also selling pakodas.
Today there is no customer to eat my pakodas. All the hot pakodas have cooled down. I don't know what is wrong.
Right then, Bunty and Bablu reach there.
Uncle, nobody will have your pakoras. Anand's pakodas are too delicious.
Yes, uncle. After having his pakodas, we came to know that your pakodas are really bad in taste.
Oh, is that so? If anybody comes to my workplace and spoils my work, I won't leave him.
Uncle, focus on your pakodas.
Saying this, the two of them leave.
I think I will have to teach Anand a lesson. He has come here to spoil my work, leaving his own work.
After selling all the pakodas, Anand returns home and the couple counts the money that Anand has earned today.
Look, Pushpa, I have earned a good amount today.
I have a feeling this business will bring us prosperity.
Yes, I think the same. From tomorrow, you make some more pakodas.
Yes, for sure. I'll make more delicious pakodas.
Make such pakodas that become famous in distant places too.
If this happens, we can overcome all the problems that we have. Next day, when Anand starts selling the pakodas, Lalan also starts selling pakodas right there.
Special chutney free with hot pakodas. Come, come, have pakodas with chutney.
Not only Bunty and Bablu, there were more customers who had come to Anand's pakoda stall. That's when they listened to Lallan.
Bravo! Pakoda with chutney. Look, he's giving pakodas along with chutney.
Come, today we'll have pakodas with chutney.
All the customers go to Lallan's stall to have pakodas and start savoring the pakodas.
Amazing. These are very tasty.
Yes, you will find it tasty because I have adulterated it with drugs.
Poor Anand kept waiting, but nobody came to his stall. He returned home in the evening. You are back? That too without selling all the pakodas?
I feel like we'll have to stop this work.
But what happened all of a sudden? Yesterday we did very good business. So what is the matter today?
Today I started selling pakodas and Lallan attracted all the customers towards his stall.
And you are upset because of such a small reason?
It is a matter of getting upset as customers are going to his stall to have pakodas. How will we earn then?
But what is it that he did? That all the customers went to his stall?
He is giving some special chutney with his pakodas and everyone is having 5 plates of pakodas.
What did you say? 5 plates? Are they really having so many pakodas?
Yes, I felt as if he had mixed something in the chutney. Otherwise, how can anyone have so many pakodas?
Listen, don't worry, okay? If we work honestly, God will surely help us in our venture. Tomorrow you can go again and sell the pakodas. The next day, Anand goes to sell his pakodas again. Lallan was already there selling his pakodas.
Come, have pakodas with special chutney.
Lallan's stall is full of customers. And everyone was having plates after plates of pakodas.
I don't know what will I do now. None of the customers are coming to me.
An aged man comes to Lallan's stall and tells him,
Son, please give me some pakodas. I'm very hungry.
You please pay first and then I'll give you pakodas.
I'm sorry, my dear, I don't have any money.
I don't give pakodas for free. Who knows where they come from? Go from here.
The aged man was about to leave. But right then Anand calls him.
Uncle, listen uncle, come here.
The aged man walks up to Anand.
What happened uncle? Are you very hungry?
Yes, my son, I'm very hungry, but I don't have any money to buy food for myself.
No worries uncle, you have it for free.
While listening to the aged man, Anand gives him pakodas. While having the pakodas, the aged man says,
These pakodas are very tasty. Why is nobody having these pakodas?
I don't know uncle, nobody is having my pakodas. He has some special chutney with him.
Don't worry, my dear. God is seeing everyone. Your hard work won't go in vain.
Right then, a police van arrives and an inspector comes out of the van and he goes to Lallan and says,
You are the one selling pakodas with chutney, right? Now be ready for a special treatment.
But sir, what is my fault?
You have adulterated chutney with drugs and offering it to your customers. Your supplier has been arrested and he has disclosed your name.
2 constables catch hold of Lallan and take him to the police station in the police van.
Oh, that's why we used to feel drowsy having his pakodas. This was the reason.
Now I got to know what his special chutney means.
Better we had pakodas from brother Anand.
After this, everyone comes to Anand to buy his pakodas and Anand's pakoda becomes very popular and he starts earning well in his business.